Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by confirming hardware and permissions so you can isolate the problem fast. You should plug in the headset or mic and swap ports. A bad cable is common. Next, open the calling app and ensure microphone permission is enabled, then force close and reopen the app so settings take effect. Finally, make a quick 5 to 7 second voice memo to hear input level and distortion. This tells you whether the issue is the mic versus app settings. Once hardware and permissions are okay, adjust software settings to fix quality. In the app, select the exact input and output device, then match that selection in your computer or phone sound settings so audio routes consistently. If you have audio enhancements or aggressive noise suppression enabled, turn them off temporarily. Those can muffle voices. Now, tweak input gain. Lower it if you hear clipping, raise it if the voice is too soft, and keep testing with short calls. Finish by ruling out network and software faults so calls stay clear. Move to wired Ethernet or a 5 GHz network and run a 1-minute test call. Poor bandwidth causes dropouts and artifacts. Check for app or OS updates and reinstall the calling app if issues persist. Clear the app cache on mobile to remove corrupt settings. If problems continue, swap to a different device or headset to isolate hardware, and keep one clear troubleshooting note for support, what you changed and test results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.